Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video we are going to see the usage of like operator and how we can use the wildcards in the like operator. So here we are making a select statement, then we are inserting some more sample records. And here if you see, we are using the record selection where full name, column name, using the operator like Jacob percentage. So what this means, pick all the record whose full name, employee's full name starts with Jacob. This percentage here denotes after Jacob there can be n number of character. It doesn't matter. The full name should start with Jacob. That's the meaning of this one. So all the employee record whose full name starts with Jacob will get selected. Next, if you see, this time we are using percentage in the front. That means pick all the employee whose name ends with lousy. Here the name starts with Jacob. Here the name ends with lousy. Select star from test.employee where full name like. It doesn't matter what is the start and it doesn't matter what is the end. What we want is somewhere in the full name the letters SIN should appear. Here if you see, somewhere in the middle we are having SIN, so this will qualify for record selection. So here you saw percentage is towards the end. That means the string starts with Jacob. Here string ends with lousy. Here somewhere in the middle we see SIN. So these are all the qualification. Full name like SIN. So the bracket here denotes that this is the square bracket, right? Here we are qualifying one single letter where full name like the first letter should be T or A or M because it's the bracket, right? The first name should start with T or A or M and it should end with N or I or A. In between there can be a number of character. Here if you see, Tamla starts with T, so it qualifies, and ends with A, so the record qualifies here. That's the condition here. The full name, the first letter should be either T or A or M, and the last letter should be either N or I or A. So that's the way here we are using the like operator. Alright, now we will go to the demo and see how it works. So here we are picking all the record. At present we have 8 records. We will add some more sample record so that we can use the in operator efficiently and see how it is picking the records. So we inserted 5 rows to our test.employee. Here, if you see, now we have more number of records. So let's pick all employee whose full name starts with Jacob. And if you see, we have 2 records. One is Jacob Lamb and the other one is Jacob TSql. Now let's pick all the employee whose full name ends with lousy. Here if you see, there are 2 employee whose name ends with lousy, Mary Lousy and Monica Lousy. Here we are asking to filter the record and full name somewhere in between contains SIN. Here if you see, it filtered 3 records because SIN is here, Kumar Sinha, Manish Sinha, Rahul Sinha. There are 3 employees. It doesn't matter what's the start. It doesn't matter what's the start and what's the end. If the employee full name in between contains SIN, that will get selected. Here, if you see, we are stating employee's full name should start with either T or A or M. If I execute T, A, M, 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 right? So full name that starts with either T or A or M. You can look at here. Now we will put a restriction that the full name also should end with NIA. That means this is ending with E, this is ending with N, it will qualify. This will also qualify, ending with I, so qualify. A, it will get qualify. Both the name lousy will disqualify. Alright, now if we execute here, you can see name that starts with A and ends with N, so qualifies. AN, MI, MI, so it qualifies, right? Alright, that's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo of how to use like operator. Thank you for watching. Bye.